Hey everyone. Today, we're replacing the battery for these JBL T220 wireless earbuds. Now, unlike the Buds style where the battery is tucked inside the head, the T220 stores its battery right here in the stem. This design is actually common across several JBL models, like the T220, T225, and T230. They all share a very similar internal layout. Let's do a quick comparison. If we look at the original battery next to our new replacement, you can see the new one is noticeably larger. This means we're going to get a much better battery life and longer. Let's drop them back into the case to test the connection. The white LED light turns on. Now for the moment of truth. There we go. The white light is on, which means they're charging perfectly. Job well done.